Welcome to my Make a Movement project, where I utilise technology to build upon skills and enhance the ideologies of authentic learning. I've created this site, as you can see, to enable teachers and students to use this assignment that will incorporate the Australian curriculum of English and ICT subjects in a physical education setting. As you can see here, I've chosen the Year 7 year group, and I've put the syllabus of what the curriculum is expecting from physical education learning. This is the project topic, which is basically students using technology to improve their skills of volleyball and coming out with an end product that will educate people on what they have found. The learning outcomes of the physical education curriculum are that the students are using technology to analyse their own and others' performance and develop a plan to teach others how to enhance their own skills. They may have to demonstrate and compare between different people, so it might be, say, people from their class, and it might be the Olympic YouTube video that they might have researched in class. They may have to solve some challenges that arise, so basically examining and demonstrating the similarities of strategies. So they may acknowledge the fact that if you don't bend your knees in a set, the ball doesn't go the way it should, and that bending your knees is a requirement. Same with how a follow-through with the arms and ball can significantly affect the height and distance of flight, which I think is down here in this part of the physical education curriculum. They will practice and apply personal and social skills, which is where they come into their lesson plan of doing their own lesson plan for 15 minutes, where they teach other students how to do their hits, which is obviously something that they will need to work on. The English curriculum, that's participating in peer group situations, so that will be part of their lesson plans and learning how to do volleyball and playing in a volleyball setting. They'll have to plan, rehearse and deliver presentations. So when they do their end product, they will need to plan ahead so that they know exactly what they want to be put in the end product. They'll need to rehearse and deliver the presentation so that it shows exactly what they want shown. And ICT is used all throughout the lesson plans. They use computers, laptops, photographic technologies, video technologies. They'll have to use the internet for Google Drive and have to be able to learn how to do all of that stuff like upload, edit, and everything like that. Thank you.